Good evening. Welcome to the Professor Maima Show. Hope you're doing well wherever you're watching me from all over the world. Hope your day has been good on this Tuesday. So today I want to talk about something interesting. I want to talk about the Nyankole, it's called the Nyankole cows. They're called the Nyankole cows. They have very long horns. They're very unique cows. They're mostly found in Uganda. The president of Uganda has very many of them. So these Nyankole cows, they have very long horns, very big ones, like on the picture there. Another thing, they are very hardy. They can live in very tough conditions. They can take very few water and few grass. So they are very hardy. Hardy means that they can survive in very hard conditions. So now, one thing about the Nyankole cow is that it costs very expensive. Like in Kenya, the average cow can go for 50,000 Kenya shillings. That is around can we talk of $500? $500, yes. $500 is one cow here in Kenya, whether a bull or a cow. It's $500. The Nyankole cow goes for $5,000. That is 500,000 Kenya shillings, one of them. A Nyankole bull, $5,000. So imagine if you have a big farm, a ranch, and you have 100 Nyankole cows. I don't know how much. That's $500,000. That is like, according to the exchange rate, 65 million Kenya shillings that you can get after 4 years when they mature, or when you sell all of them. So I'm assuming you have over 100 Nyankole cows, and you're selling one for $5,000. That's $500,000. That's like 65 million Kenya shillings. That is the Nyankole cow. Very expensive and unique. So now, imagine you have a talent and skill that it's like the Nyankole cow. In the sense that it's a unique skill that can earn you good money. Yes, we have many dances. People are skilled in dancing, cooking, motivational speaking. There I'm doing maybe acrobatics, martial arts, running, on and on. But there are people with unique skills. Like now, you find some people, they can do a motivational video for 3 minutes and 100 million people watch it, views, because their dressing is on point, their talking is on point, the topics they're talking about is on point, the lighting is on point. That's what I'm saying. Be a Nyankole cow. Be unique and be of high value. So how do you make yourself a Nyankole cow? You should have a talent and skill that is wanted by the world. Let's say people want to dance, want to know how to cook, want to know how to do fitness. You showcase it. It isn't, but you should do it in a unique way that people enjoy. Like there's this lady here in Kenya, she does a cooking of exotic dishes in her village. It's nothing unique. There are millions of videos of villages, people doing cooking in the village using stoves. In Africa, we don't use a gas stove, we use the stone stove. There are 3 stones, then you use firewood. We call it the traditional stove. 3 stones, and then there's firewood. But she has millions of views because of the unique dishes she uses. She cooks very uniquely. She does great content. She does exotic dishes that people from even America watch. So one of her videos gets 1 million views in a month. So when you look at her videos, there's no video that has less than 100,000 views because she's like an Nyankole cow. She's unique. She has put great value on her talent and skills, and she presents something in a good way. So you, young man and woman watching me, what is your skill and talent that can make you a Nyankole cow? Whereby when you present something to people, they listen, they enjoy, they look at it. There are many talents and skills in this world, but there are people who, how can I put it? They do great content. How can I put it? They do great content. They present it in such a unique way that you enjoy. It takes me back to the year 2010. There was this America Got Talent. So there were these three young men, white. So there's this song that was sung by a black American singer, a lady. But they presented that song so well that the audience went crazy. And that video had, like that time, before even people started using smartphones, watching YouTube on smartphone, it had some serious content, some serious views. I think nearly 10 million views. That's like now 100 million views now. Then it had over 10 million views. And that were so many views then. So you see, be a Nyankole cow, be a person of value that people are ready to pay top dollar to watch you do your content. Like in Kenya, you have comedians, very many of them. But those ones who, when they hold a concert, people, in fact, the tickets are sold before even the main the event begins because they have high value. Like someone like it's called Crazy Kena. He did a concert. Okay, he did a function. I don't call them concerts or I don't know what you name to those events. He did a comedy festival, one stand-up comedy show, and was selling the tickets for nearly $20. That's 2,000 Kenya shillings now. All of them were sold before the show. He sold over 3,000 tickets. So he made over 6 million Kenya shillings. Sold over 2,000 tickets. Sold here for going for 3,000 Kenya shillings, something like that. Okay, 2,000 Kenya shillings, and he sold over 3,000 tickets, 6 million. You see, he's a Nyankole cow. He puts great content on what he does. So it depends on what you are doing. You can be a teacher, you can be a shopkeeper, but what value are you giving to community? People will pay top dollar for good service, good value, good content. So if you're watching me and a young man, value yourself. Be a Nyankole cow. Ensure that the content that you give is good value and it's interesting. Like that, our Crazy Kena comedian, those three young men in, it's called what? In America Got Talent, they sang that song so well that I put it on repeat on YouTube, yeah, on my laptop, because it was sung so well, delivered. So in life, you must be a Nyankole cow, be a person of great value, so that people value you. Be great value, be unique, and just the universe will give you what you want. If you want a job that earns you $3,000 per month, that's 300,000 Kenya shillings, you'll get it. And once you do that, you keep yourself well, get yourself a nice place to live, a good rental house, invest the money, property, buy land, ensure that you do things that bring you returns, whether it's farming, whether it's cattle keeping, and you find things start showing up for you. If you're walking, get yourself a nice car that you can move around, whether it's small or big. Get a nice car that moves you around so that you stop being a number 11. Number 11 here in Kenya means walking. People walk at number 11. So you move from number 11 to four-wheel. So what am I saying? Be a Nyankole cow that has great value, is unique with those big horns, and it's more valued than even the normal cow because it's hardy. It's unique. It's a strong cow. It can live in tough conditions, but when it's sold, oh my word, it gets the farmer great money. So be a Nyankole cow, value the talent you have, give good content, give good 100% in whatever you do, and don't worry, because the world has been there for 1,000,000,000 years. It will always be there. What matters is what you do now, and tomorrow will take care of itself. So this is the Professor Mahima Show. Hope you have enjoyed what I've said, and if you like what I've said, send something on the mobile M-Pesa there to support this channel. +254 769 729 327. I repeat again, +254 769 729 327. And support this channel of ours as we go, keep on giving you great content and sharing ideas. Because the world now is virtual, use the what is called the YouTube or social media to reach out to many people. And as I always say, Gwaheri ya kuonana, Gwaheri.